Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and what I want to talk about now is packages. So in the previous video we learned about modules, where like modules are, basically any file with the .py, and we just grab the functions and values from them. But what if we wanted to create like a whole bunch of these? Okay, so let's create a new folder. So let's just kind of show you the process of doing this. Uh, It's like frozen at the moment. Yeah, it's frozen. Let's give it a second. There it goes. Right click, new directory. We'll call this package. Okay, inside this package folder, we're going to have new file. We're going to create a new file that's going to be called __init __.py. It has to have that exact name. And what this just does is that when Python sees that this file is in this folder, it's be like, oh, okay, this is a package. Okay, it doesn't have to be called package, the folder, but it just recognizes this folder as a package, and then allows me to access all the modules that I create inside of it. So I can be like module.py. Okay, and basically I can create a little function. So def hello world equals, or no, def hello world print hello world. Okay, we'll save that. I can't save automatically. So let's go back to testing that file, and let's try to import this package. So I'm going to import, or from package dot, what was the name of the module folder? Dot module. I think it was like module.py. Yes, dot module. And then it would be, so from package dot module import hello world. Okay, because see, it picks up on this package, because that's going to be considered a package because of the init.py. And then when I do .module, it looks inside that folder for a module by that name, and there it is. And then I can import what I want from that module. So there we go. And then I have this. Then I can just say hello world, and let's see if it works. Cool. See, hello world. So this allows you, if you were going to make a huge amount of files, a lot of functions, a lot of values, and you really want to kind of organize it all into separate modules, you can create a package, create a folder, you make that init.py, and then you can kind of organize all the information. So let's say you're creating a folder, you're making like a zoo app. You might have a package called bird, another package called mammals, another package called reptiles, and inside of it there might be different modules that have different like lists and dictionaries and tuples that have all the data for your all the different animals or functions in order to work with animals, to move the lizard to this part of the zoo or whatnot. And you can just kind of build that all out so that way it's easy to manage. So that's the beauty of a package. So a module allows you to kind of store your data, your functions and your data in other files. Packages allow you to have lots of these module files kind of organized in a way that makes it easy to grab, and it gives you this nice simple syntax to use. So basically it's just you do the package, and then again this could be another folder with another package inside of it, so I would just keep going ... till I get to the folder that I want, and then grab the functions or whatever I want from that file. Okay, it also will check where all your installed packages. So if you install packages with pip, you'll be able to access those here. You would just type in the right stuff, import those packages, and make use of them. Okay, I don't really think I have anything installed here far as pip goes. And again, since I am using Linux and I'm using Python 3, I have to type in pip3 to install something. Versus if I was using Python 2 on Linux, I would just use pip. And if I was on Windows or Mac, I could just type in pip to install my packages. So just like if I want to install Django, I just type in pip3 install Django, and it would just go install Django for me. And that gets installed in my virtual environment, which is currently practice. So that's why you see this parentheses here, because I'm using a virtual environment called practice. And the reason that's important is you don't want you only want the packages you need for the project that you're working on. That's why you want a virtual environment for every project, so that way you're not you don't have all these extra packages floating around that could cause collisions of names or word version issues, all this kind of stuff. So hopefully that gave you guys a nice basic idea of how packages work in Python. I will see you guys later on.